Hi, it's Mark with RPM Tesla, and today we're going to show you a video on how to do our basic install of a product that has the clear masking tape over it. And this is a nose cone T logo. So basically, when you open your package, you'll have a wet wipe, you'll have your logo, and you'll be out at your car. Just simply clean the surface of what we're going to install by using the alcohol prep. This, after cleaning it good with Windex, is always recommended right before you put your decal on. Let it dry. Now here's the tricky part people just don't seem to understand that are newer at this, is you want to take your squeegee and squeegee it down very well so the adherence to the front clear masking tape is stronger than the backing. Okay, there's white backing on here, so just peel off the decal, and as you see, we've got room on the sides for you to hold it. Simply line it up, right, install it right in place here where the V lines up in the middle of the decal. You should see a little bit of chrome at the top. Then you can lift the bottom up, center it right in the middle of the chrome, making any minor adjustments. And once it's in place, squeegee it down. Now this is going to make it grab onto the chrome, and so the clear masking tape will release. And this is also a new color for us, going on a metallic brown car, so you don't see this colored nose cone every day. And you'll see it peels back nice and easy. Just use your thumb, fingers to hold it down, and then just press gently on it to make sure it's holding well. This is the upper arch, and we always recommend doing this in two-part just so you can get it on perfect. Again, they're all designed to show a little bit of chrome, so they sit inside. So you start it right at the edge where you can see a tiny bit of chrome, press it down, follow the arch pattern around and over, leaving room at the top and the bottom. And if you mess it up, you can peel it up and start over. You can see here I'm making adjustments and looking through the clear masking tape to make sure it's on nice and perfect. And again, squeegeeing it down makes the decal hold to the chrome, hopefully stronger than our adhesive tape on the front. So as we peel this back, and then we follow with our finger, it should be in place perfect. And you can see now for an extreme close-up how simple it is. Anybody can do this. If you mess it up, call us. We'll send you a replacement. Again, thank you. This is Installing Decals 101 from RPM Tesla. Thanks again.